Girls and girlettes, welcome or welcome back to my channel.
Hey, girl, I'm trying to loosen you. Half and half of that goose and juice. Baby, tell me what it's gonna be.
And as you can see by the title, I'm doing a ponytail tutorial. Easy peasy. It's gonna take about 30 minutes. I don't know. This is my first time doing a ponytail on my own hair. I'm not straightening it or anything. I'm just gonna do it. Let's hope for the best. And yeah, let's just get into it. Enough of the chit chat. Let's just get into the video. Also, what you're gonna need is Guapaa.m glue spray. You don't have to use these products. I use these products because they work best for my hair. You can use whatever works best for your hair. Especially since I'm not straightening it. I just blew it out and hope for the best. And I recently just cut my hair again. As you can, I don't know if you can tell, but I recently just cut it. Guapaa.m glue spray, Gorilla Snot. This is what I use. Remember I said that. Spritz, the super hole. Of course, a brush, a hard brush, a tail comb, and blow dryer. Take this part off. So yes, enjoy this montage of me doing my hair. So what I do is when I see like little hairs sticking up, like, and I got thin edges, and I'm working on something to help them grow because I'm tired of them. But yeah, so once I see like these sticking up, I get the Guapaa.m glue spray and then I do this, I guess. What y'all think? You too? Yeah, I think so. I like this. Oh yeah. Oh, duh, I forgot. Also need this and hair glue. Why would I forget that? I just cut it in half. You know, seen it was like a bigger piece. Just cut it in half. So now you get this, okay? What you want to do is get your hair. What I do is like bend it, because like I said, I did a half up, half down before this. You want to bend it to make sure, you know, it don't like stick up. The ponytail don't like stick up like this when you wrap it around, you know? And please don't cut for my edges, please. I'm trying. If you have any recommendations, don't say any oils, because it's obviously not working. I use it every night and it's still taking long to grow. I don't wear wigs, so I don't know what's going on. So probably gotta take some pills or something. I don't know. But I'm gonna continue to do my research. But anyways, I'm gonna get the hair. Okay, so I got my weave. It starts from like, it starts short and then it gets long. So I'm gonna put the short, I'm gonna start off with the short side. So what you want to do is have the hair, like have the track pointing towards the mirror or the camera, you know? Don't have it facing towards you. And then it's okay. It's my first time doing a ponytail myself. I should have tied this part down while I was doing whatever, but care. But I know you gotta take a piece from the batch, separate the gang from each other. Fix it with this. I'm gonna fix this part with this, and I'm gonna come back. When I come back, it's gonna be done. It looks cute though. Alright, you guys, so your girl is back. Alright, you guys, so it's done. You like it. It's the back. Yeah. Rate me 1 to 10. Just kidding. No, I did. The process was bad, but the turnout came out good, so that's all that matters. Okay, that's all that matters. But this is the ending of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial slash chaos. I hope you guys enjoyed this chaos tutorial. My bad, y'all. But thank you guys for watching to the end. Hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.